With its decision in Gideon, the Supreme Court transformed the American legal system by renewing the foundational promise of equal justice under law. It reaffirmed that the law protects all of us, the poor as well as the rich, the powerless as well as the powerful.
But the promise of FOIA is made real by all of you, the dedicated FOIA professionals who day in and day out interact with FOIA requesters, who each year conduct detailed reviews of millions of pages of government records, and who scrupulously balance the FOIA's presumption of disclosure while safeguarding important interests such as personal privacy and national security.